Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary periods. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 237 up to part 11. Now this is part 12. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. सो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए। शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 238। द क्वेश्चन इज 238, हु इज़ द प्रोटोगोनिस्ट इन जॉन ऑसबर्न लुक इन एंगर? Look back in anger. Yes. Who is the yes? Yes. Who is the protagonist in John Osborne's Look Back in Anger? So these four options are here. Option A Luther, option B Murphy, option C Martin, and option D Jimmy Porter. Jimmy Porter. So Jimmy Porter is the correct answer. You can say Jimmy Porter is the protagonist in John Osborne Look Back in Anger. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 239. What are the poems of John Osborne known as that were written after Celtic poetry? Option A phlegmatic poems, option B oceanic poems, option C Georgian poems, option D none of these. So option B, which one is the correct answer? Option B oceanic poems. Oceanic poems are the poems of John Osborne known as were written after Celtic poetry. Now question number 240. In 1992, a middle-aged Jimmy Porter returned to the stage in Osborne's. Option again listen the question 240. In 1992, a middle-aged Jimmy Porter returned to the stage in Osborne's. Option A Deja Vu, option B That Time, option C Luther, option D Footfalls. So option A Deja Vu is the correct answer. Now question number 241. John Osborne's pungently observant and equally spiteful orthography is? Option A That Time, option B A Better Class of Person, option C A Bond Honored, and option D The Unnameable. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A better class, option B a better class of person. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 242. With a bitter breast care I have been abiding. Many seeds of sorrow in my ship have known. Frightful was the world of waves when it was my part. Narrow watch at night to keep my vessel's prow when it rushed the rocks along. These are the opening lines of John Osborne's. एक जॉन ऑसबर्न की किसकी ओपनिंग लाइन है? ऑप्शन ए द र्यून्ड वर्ग, ऑप्शन बी द वॉन्डरर, ऑप्शन सी डेजा बू, एंड ऑप्शन डी द स्कारफर, द seafarer. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is 242, option C deja vu. Deja vu is the correct answer. Now question number 243. Who was George Orwell? Option A novelist, option B playwright, option C story writer, and option D dramatist. dramatist. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, novelist. Uh, who was George Orwell? George Orwell was a novelist. Now question number 200. Yes. Now question number 244. Who wrote the famous novel The Outsider in 1956 that confirmed the era of angry young men? The outcome of Osborne's look back in anger. Option A, Colin Wilson. Option B, Geoffrey Hills. Option C, Arnold Wesker. And option D, Philip Larkin. Philip Larkin. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Colin. Option A, Colin Wilson. Yes, Colin Wilson is the correct answer of 244. Now question number 245. Colin Wilson wrote two essays on on poetry and criticism in 1970 and the other one. Option A Hope for Poetry 1934. Option B, The James Bond Dossier 1965. God That Failed 1950. Or option D, Bernard Shaw, A Resentment 1969. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, Bernard Shaw, or option D is the correct answer. Bernard Shaw, A Resentment 1969. Now question number 246. Who wrote the famous work in parenthesis and the Sleeping Lord? Who wrote the famous works in parenthesis and the Sleeping Lord? Option A, John Wayne. Option B, G.M. Hopkins. Option C, David Jones. And option D, William Golding. William Golding. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, David Jones. David Jones. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Now question number 247. Rebecca Best wrote a striking historical novel about the ideological divisions of pre-revolutionary Russia in 1966. Name that novel. Rebecca West wrote the striking historical novel about the ideological divisions of pre-revolutionary Russia in 1966. Name that novel. Option A, The Return of the Soldier. Option B, The Words Fall Down. Option C, The Fountain Overflows. And option D, Black Lamb and Grey Falcon. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Option B, The Words Fall Down is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 248. Question number 248. Who is the author of successful work such as French Without Tears, The Window Boys, Winds How, The Winds How Boy, and The Deep Love and The Deep Blue Sea? So whose works are these? Option A, Rebecca West. Option B, John Osborne. Option C, Anthony Powell. And option D, Terence Rattigan. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B, Terence Ratt. Now question number 249. Which of the following play is not written by Arthur Miller? कौन सा प्ले जो है वो आर्थर मिलर के द्वारा नहीं लिखा गया? ऑप्शन ए, डेथ ऑफ सेल्समैन. ऑप्शन बी, द कलेक्टर. ऑप्शन सी, द क्रूशिबल. एंड ऑप्शन डी, अ व्यू फ्रॉम द ब्रिज. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, द कलेक्टर. Option B, The Collector is the correct answer. Now question number 250. Philip Larkin wrote a famous novel in 1946. Identify it. फिलिप लार्किन ने एक फेमस नॉवल 1946 में लिखा था. कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए, जिल. ऑप्शन बी, द नॉट शिप. ऑप्शन सी, द लेस डिसीव्ड. एंड ऑप्शन डी, the Whitsun weddings. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Jill. Shoot, Jill. Now question number 251. They fuck you up, your mum and dad. This is the opening line of Larkin's poem. लार्किन की कौन सी पोयम का ये फर्स्ट लाइन है, ओपनिंग लाइन है? ऑप्शन ए टू द सी, ऑप्शन बी चर्च गोइंग, ऑप्शन सी दिस बी द वर्स एंड ऑप्शन डी एनस मिराविलस. एनस मिराविलस. So which one is the correct answer? Option C. This be the verse is the correct answer. Now question number 252. Nights at the circus describe the story of Favors, a cockney bird woman. It is written by option A Harold Pinter, option B Angela Carter, option C Arthur Miller and option D Terence Rattigan. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B, Angela Carter. Angela Carter, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 253. The central character of a very famous novel of John Fowles are Charles Smithson and Sarah Woodruff. Identify that novel. The central character of a very famous novel of John Fowles are Charles Smithson and Sarah Woodruff. Identify that novel. Option A Montesa, option B The Magus, option C The Collector and option D The French Lieutenant Bowman. The French Lieutenant Bowman. So which one is the correct answer? Option D The French Lieutenant Bowman. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 254, dear friends. Question number 254 है, this playwright started writing under nom de plume and died at a very young age of 34. Which writer is being referred to here? यहाँ पे किस रिफ़र किया गया, किस राइटर के बारे में है? ऑप्शन ए जॉन फाउलेस, ऑप्शन बी टेरेंस रेटिंगन, ऑप्शन सी जो ऑर्टन एंड ऑप्शन डी Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option C Joe Orton. Joe Orton. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 255. Name the most witty and inventive play of Tom Stoppard which was written in 1974 and has Henry Kerr as its central character. Name the most witty and inventive play of Tom Stoppard which was written in 1974 and has Henry Kerr as its central character. Option A Travesties, option B If You Are Glad, I will be frank, option C Jumpers and option D The Real Inspector Hound. So the correct answer is option A. Option A travesties is the correct answer. Now question number 256, second last question of this video. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको न्यू वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन मिल सकें. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 256. द मोस्ट सब्टल play of Tom Stoppard that was written in 1994 and translated in French in 1998 is option A Every Good Boy Deserves Favor, option B Hap Good, option C Professional Foul and option D Arcadia. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D Half Good. Half Good is the correct answer. Now this is the last question. Which play did Carol Churchill write as the outcome of her work with group of British drama students in the aftermath of Romanian Revolution? Option A blue cattle, option B mad forest, option C top girls, option D owners. So which one is the correct answer? Option B mad forest is the correct answer. So dear friends, this is the part 11. आई होप कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. थैंक यू फॉर